Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see about 7th standard Maths, chapter 4, Geometry, exercise 4.1. Fourth question. Two line segments AD and BC intersect at O. Joining AB and DC, we get two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle DOC as shown in the figure. Find that angle A and angle B. Okay, shall we find that? Okay, now see here, we are going to do now. First, what is given here? These two angles are opposite, vertically opposite angles are always equal. We know that, isn't it? Using that, we are going to do the sum now. See, first, whatever it is given, that name the triangle first. What are the triangles given here? Triangle AOB and triangle DOC is given, isn't it? Now, in this, what are the angles here? Angle AOB, which is equal to angle DOC, which is equal to, we are going to give the name as, already it is given here X. So, we are going to take these two as Y, because vertically opposite angles are equal. So, since vertically opposite angles are equal. That's why we are taking these two as Y now. Is it clear now? Next, what you are going to see here, you know by angle sum property. So use that angle sum property. By using that by angle sum property, we know that we get 180 degrees, isn't it? From this triangle AOB, angle A plus angle B plus, what is this angle? Angle AOB equal to, what is that? Angle D and angle C. Angle D plus angle C plus angle DOC equal to how much? 180 degrees, isn't it? Now, adding these two, we will get, in the place of A, what you are going to put? 3x, and in the place of B, 2x, plus angle AOB, what you took here? Y. So, apply that, and angle D, what is given? 70 degree, and angle C, how much is given there? 30 degree, and plus angle DOC, what you took that as Y, which is equal to 180 degree. So, these two triangles, if you are getting that equal to 180 degree, both the angles and property are getting 180 degree. So, we can comparing these two equal, we can get. See here, 3x plus 5x, how much you will get? 3x plus 2x, you will get 5x plus y equal to 70 plus 30, how much? 100. 100 degree plus y. Now, you are going to compare these two because both they are having the 180 degree. So, only this thing you can compare. Now, while comparing this one, the y will get cancelled. How? I am showing you now. Plus y. This one, when the plus y will come to that side, minus y it will become, which is equal to 100 degree. So, y will get cancelled. That's why I say you can cancel it here itself. Okay. Then 5x equal to 100, then x equal to nothing but 100 by 5, then you will get 5 table how many times? 20 times. So, x equal to 20, but we need, what we need? Angle A. Angle A equal to how much? 3x. So, 3 into 20. 3 into 20, how much you are getting? 60 degree. How much you are getting now? 60 degree. Okay. As a very same as now, we are going to take that as angle B also we need. Angle B equal to how much is given? 2x. So, this is nothing but 2 into, in the place of x, 20 degree. So, you will get 40 degree. Isn't it, children, now? So, you have to use that vertically opposite angles are equal. So, according to the diagram, we are taking that and we are using the angle sum property. You are getting 180 degree for both the triangle. That's why you are equalizing this value and you are getting that x value now. How much you are getting? 20 degree. So, in the place of angle A, what is given there? 3x. So, 3 into, in the place of x, you are putting the 20 degree, then you will get 60 degree, and x angle B equal to 2x. In the place of x, you are putting that 20 degree, that is 2 into 20, you will get 40 degree. Okay, shall we do the next sum? Okay, students, we are going to see about fifth question. Such a nice one. You seen at the entrance of the house they are putting this column, you know, very familiar diagram this one, isn't it? So observe the figure and find the value of this. On looking this column itself, you must remember the value of this or all the triangles, okay? Such an interesting one, this diagram. We will do the sum now, how much it got, okay? Yes. Now there are two triangles. Are you able to look at that? AGE and one more triangle NSL, okay? Now from triangle AGE and triangle, one more thing, first you can do the triangle AGE. From this triangle we will take, what are the angles here? Angle A, okay, angle A, and then angle G plus angle G plus angle E equal to how much? 180 degree by angle sum property, isn't it? So mark this as 1, okay? Then next one, what is that? Triangle. From triangle NLS. So NLS. You can take the triangle N plus angle L plus angle S equal to how much? This triangle 180 degree by angle sum property. So mark this as 2 because this is a second triangle. What answer you got? You take that as the, mark it as the 2. Now next one, if you are adding these two, all these things you are going to add according to this question, okay? So angle A plus, that is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, you will get angle A plus angle G plus angle E plus angle N plus angle L plus angle S equal to how much you are getting here? 180 degree plus 180 degree, isn't it? So how much will you get here? 360 degree. So this is nothing but angle A plus angle G plus angle E plus angle N plus angle S plus angle L plus angle S equal to 360 degree. Okay students? So I think you are enjoying. Hereafter on looking this column itself, you remember these two triangle you are getting altogether this diagram itself how much? 360 degree. I think you enjoy this sum and all, no? Shall we do the next sum? Okay children, now we are going to see about 6th question. That is, if the three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:4, then find them. So here it is given here ratios, isn't it? Shall we do the sum now? Yeah. Answer. Let the angles be, let the three angles be, you are going to take this as the x value because we are going to find them, isn't it? So 3x, 5x and 4x. Okay, we are taking the angles 3x, 5x and 4x. Okay, now by angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? The sum of three angles of a triangle. Three angles of a triangle equal to how much? 180 degree. Isn't it? What are the three angles here? It is given 3x plus 5x plus 4x equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay, on adding all together, how much will you get? 5 plus 4? 9. 9 plus 3? 12. So 12x equal to 180 degree. We need x value. So 180 degree divided by, when it comes this side, it will come in the division. In 12 table, how many times? 15 times, isn't it? So x equal to 15 degree. But we need, what and all we need? X values we need 3x, 5x and 4x. So the angles are 3x equal to 3 into, in the place of x, what you are going to do that? What you are going to put? 15 degree. So multiplying, you will get 45 degree. And next one, what is the angle it is given there? 5x. Which angle? Second angle is 5x. So second 5x equal to 5 into 15 degree. So you will get 75 degree. And next angle, the third angle, what it is given there? 4x. So 4 into 15. The place of x you are putting that 15. This means 4 into, okay, 4 into x. So you are multiplying, you will get 60 degree. Suppose you are having doubt, what at all I did the sum as correct or wrong. You itself can verify yourself, you itself can check yourself. See the way of checking. All together add it, how much you will get? 5 plus 5. If you are adding, you will get, here adding all this in 18. So you are getting now the total as how much? 180 degree. So what you did as the correct one. Isn't that? So you itself can check yourself. Okay children? Again we will see that whenever it is given in the ratio, we are going to do that as whatever you are going to find out, take that as the angles be x. So 3x, 5x and 4x because it is given the ratio. It is the question is given there. Now 3x plus 5x plus 4x, if you are adding, you are getting 180 degree. So by angle sum property, if you are dividing that one, you are getting x value is 15. So the angles are, first angle what is that? 3x. So 3 into 15 you are getting 45 and 5 into 15 you are getting 75 and 4 into 15 you are getting 60. And you can itself check yourself, if you are getting totally to 180 degree, then it is correct. Okay, I think now you understand how to use the angle sum property of the triangle and solve, isn't it? Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.